Myself, Ankita Padole. I am from Tulsiramji Battened College of Engineering and Technology. I am from 3rd year Civil Department. We are discuss about the subject of design of steel structure. We are take one topic of which the this numerical design a column 10 meter long to carry axial load of 1080 kN. The column is resist in position but not in the dimension of both ends. Design the column to channels placed back to back provide single lacing system with bolted connection. Assume steel of grade Fe410 and bolt of grade 4.6. Given data L is equal to 10 meter, P is equal to 1080 kN, Fu is equal to 410 Newton per mm square, Fy is equal to 250 Newton per mm square, Fup is equal to 400 Newton per mm square. Step 1. Calculation of required area of column. P is equal to A into FCD. Area is 1080 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to area into 150. Area is equal to 7200 mm square. Step 2. Selection of C-section of column. Area by 2 is equal to area is 7200 mm square by 2 is equal to 3600 mm square. 3600 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 centimeter square. Step 3. Select the section. We are take a value in steel table. ISMC 300. Area is equal to 4564 centimeter is equal to it converted mm square 45.64 mm square. CYY is equal to 2.36 centimeter. It converted 3.6 mm. FXX is equal to 11.81 centimeter. It's converted 118.1 mm. IXX 6362.6 centimeter 4 is equal to 6362 into 10 to the power 4 mm square. IXX is equal to 310.8 centimeter 4 is equal to 310.8 into 10 to the power 4 mm square. Step 3. Calculation of effective slenderness ratio. Lambda E is equal to KL by R into 10.5 is equal to KL is equal to 1 into 10 into 10 to the power 3 and R is equal to 10.81 into 1.05. Lambda is equal to 88.90. Step 4. Calculation of FCD. FCD is equal to FCD1 minus lambda 1 bracket close in bracket FCD1 minus FCD2 bracket close upon in bracket lambda 2 minus lambda 1 bracket close. Put the values 136 minus in bracket 88.90 minus 80 bracket close in bracket 136 minus 121 bracket close upon 90 minus 80. FCD is equal to 122.65. Step 5. Calculation of design strength is equal to PD is equal to A into FCD is equal to 2 channels into area 4564 into FCD 122.565 is equal to 1194.0.2 kilonewton. PD is equal to 11.95 kilonewton greater than 1080 kilonewton.